words might fall less for him. My father was a man like no other. He gave us life, nurtured us, taught us, fought for us, held us, but most importantly, loved us unconditionally. There are not enough words to express how incredible and strong personality he was. He always did the best he could for my mum, for my brother, for my wife and myself. He was truly the best husband, the best father, the best father-in-law at once. We are very grateful to call him our dad. Remembering all the memories we shared from the first time you holding us in your arms, till the last time us holding you in our arms. Everything you always did was only out of love. From being with us to get us through every situation and every problem. We always knew that Dad, you were just one call away. There was never a time when we would call you and you would not be there to answer, or you would not be there to solve our problems for us. He was a man who stood forward before us in every situation, regardless to what time it may be, or how busy he may be. He would get up in the middle of the night even to cook for me and my friends. I don't think many fathers, do that at the age of 70, at the age of 65. He was a very strong man throughout his life and fought through everything without letting us even know. The strength he had in his late 60s is even much more than the strength me and my brother have combined today. He was a selfless human who would do anything for anyone at any time without thinking or expecting anything back in return. Even in his last days, he never complained. He never complained about the pain he was going through, but always cared for my brother, Maddie, and me. He was always worried for his children that they get everything he needs, and always wanted to just see us happy. He was a man whose happiness was only in our happiness, and he never expected too much from us. He never asked anything from us. And even though he received very little, he was happy every moment. He cherished every moment of his life, telling us to just love everyone, be kind to everyone. During his whole life, he never asked anything from his wife, his son, his daughter-in-law. But at the end, he was glad. He was glad that when he knew that his life has come to an end, he knew that his sons were with him, his wife, his daughter-in-law, his family, everyone were with him, my aunt, my cousins. No one left his side, no one let him felt alone. Till the last time he spoke to us, he just kept telling us that I'll be fine, you all don't worry, you'll look after yourself. He has always kept my mom happy. My mom spent 34 years of her marriage with him. She was his strong support and he was her strong support. She is left all alone now, and I hope that my father give me and my brother the strength to be with my mother, to fulfill everything that he could not. Daddy, I'm really sorry for all the pain I've ever caused you. But I know you always forgave me. And always loved me. Daddy, no matter how angry I got at you at many times, I really loved you. I loved you from every bit of my heart each day. And I promise I will continue to love you more and more every day. I make everyone in our family to never forget you, never forget your presence. Daddy, you are now resting peacefully in the hands of Lord God and are now eased from all pain. You are always going to truly be missed by your wife, your sons, your daughter, all children, everyone in our family. Daddy, this is the final goodbye from all of us. I pray to God and Jesus to always look after you and fulfill all wishes that your sons could not fulfill. We always love you, Dada. And just always look after us. Thank you.